So today everything about 22A collection, and I have several items to share with you. It's going to be two parts because I have handbag and I truly believe that handbag deserves a special separate unboxing, and then I have two small items that I want to share with you. So please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel. And today everything about 22A collection. I have, as I said already, several items, and in part number one I want to unbox these two items. It's a small, nevertheless these items are not easy to get. The number one item in this box, and believe it or not, I was kind of hunting this item, I would say, for more than 4 years, because when you're gonna see it you will understand. This is the type of the items that comes not on every collection, or when they come it's not always what I'm looking for. So let's put it this way. So let me just unbox everything. Ouch. So by the packaging you already know that it's a piece of jewelry, and oh my gosh, this is the first time also I'm looking myself at it after the boutique, and I just want to make sure that it's looking pretty, and that's what I got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me bring a little bit closer and then I will explain to you. Obviously I'm gonna put it on myself, and then I will explain to you the reasoning why I want this piece of jewelry. So let me bring closer. So this is the piece of jewelry. It's actually a choker, and obviously it's obviously it has a chain and camellia, and in the middle of the camellia it's CC logo. It's so simple and so beautiful. There you go guys, it's a choker, and at the end of the chain you have kind of tiny CCs as well. At the other end it's also CC logo. You have several different hooks, and right at the end it's gorgeous also CC logo. So now I put it on and you can see, and this type of the jewelry I want to have it for a very long time. I didn't want to have anything with pearls or stones. I want an absolutely simple classy design, and at the same time I don't want something overwhelming, because a couple of seasons ago it was kind of like a thicker you know, the chain, and that's not what I want. I want something simple, and at the same time, if I want, I can layer it with some other jewelries, and I absolutely love it. And the beauty of this choker, you can wear it with quite dressy dress, but at the same time I could wear it with a simple white t-shirt and it's still gonna look very beautiful and nice. And the gold is so beautiful and shiny. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And the second item is pretty much matching the set, so you already can guess, because I decided if I want to have the choker, I want something, if I want to wear together, that I have a perfect matching set. So there you go guys, secure booklet, and this is pair of earrings. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love it so very much. So let me just put them on and I will get back to you guys. So I put the earrings on. I hope it's in focus. Let me just make sure that it's in focus. Oh my gosh, they're so simple but so pretty at the same time. And this is the choker. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So now I want to explain my reasoning why I want to have a choker. So this is specifically for my body type. because I noticed I tried before kind of long jewelries on me, but I find out that long jewelries, they really look very nice on somebody more of the flat chested. They look so pretty. If you look at all those models on Chanel website, they kind of more flat chested and tall and skinny, and those kind of like long jewelry looks really beautiful on those body types. Though they always say it's kind of elongates your body, but I truly believe if it's something like almost like pendants that holds everything in the middle. But when you have those kind of layering heavy jewelry right up front, and you have kind of like, you know, full chest, quite often what's happened with those long jewelry, it looks like, you know, it's either catching on my left side or on my right side, and it's not really a pretty picture. So from years of experience already, I noticed that I really love something that rather stay up on my chest, and I don't mind actually quite chunky jewelry or something like that, the chokers that I could mix with my other jewelries. And previously, as I said, any chokers that I tried to get from Chanel, they either had so many stones or so many pearls, or they a little bit more heavier, or they didn't have this kind of classic chain design, because I was definitely want to get this kind of classic chain design. That's my choice number one. But this season it was classic chain design. It's not very heavy, it's more on the delicate side. If you wish to talk about the chokers, it has camellia, and right on black enamel you have CC logo, which is perfection. So, and I decided to get matching earrings. I have so many Chanel earrings already in my collection, but none of them in a camellia shape once again, and then CC logo on top of the camellia. So this is kind of like a perfection, you know, my preferred choice of everything. So I want to know your opinion on this piece of jewelry. What do you think in general of chokers? Would you wear something like that? Do you like chokers, or you prefer something like, you know, longer or true long jewelry, especially when it comes to custom jewelries? So please put all your comments below. Let me know what you like. Did you buy any piece of jewelry or any accessories from 22A collection? Please let me know. Put all your comments below. So that's about it for this unboxing. I'm gonna do a handbag unboxing in my part number 2, Chanel 22 unboxing. So please stay tuned for that. So that's about it for today. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.